one. And here goes the other one. Now, what is this? Bunny's ear. And the second one too. Well, a little bit of clay dough to make his hands. And a little bit of brown clay to make his eyes. Well, here goes one eye and here goes the other. Now, orange for the carrot. Make an oval and give it a little pointed edge and a flat top to make the carrot. Take little bits of green, flatten them on your hands, and the carrot has got leaves. Well, there it goes, right into the arms of Bunny. Now what do we have here? Well, straight from Harry Potter. For the face, we are going to use green. This is it. Okay, let's use brown for the body. Shape that body around your finger. Okay. And set the head on it. Now, I'm going to use glue to make the witch's hat. Well, even witches can be a little colorful at times. So, here goes a ball. Shape it around your finger. Make a point. And there it is. Does it fit? Yes. But before making her wear the hat, the witch needs some hair. Well, what about red? We can even use orange. That'll look quite nice and witchy. If your witch's head also keeps on falling off like this, you know what we can do? Take it off. Take a little toothpick. Break it into a small piece. Here. There it goes. I have used the toothpick to join the witch's head to its body. And I don't think it's going to fall off anymore. Now, I'm going to use a little of the green to make her hands. And the brown to make the eyes. Well, I think our witch is all ready, but there's something missing. And that is the broom. So, what I've done is, I've taken a little piece out of the broom which Mama uses to clean the house. Take it, use a scissors, cut off the end, and it's ready. So, well, here is Madam Witch, all set to take off on her broom. Well, what we can do is, we can ensure that she is going to really take off. And there she goes. We've made a lot of things, and what we are left with are small bits and pieces of clay. So what we're going to do now is not throw them away, but use them along with a disposable glass and an old CD to make a beautiful pen stand for ourselves. Okay, now here we go. Now, what we are doing is taking all the bits and pieces of clay which were left over, molding them in any shape of any size, not bothered about what color we are putting where, but you're gonna like what the end result will be. Of that, I'm quite sure. Now, our stand is ready, but what it needs is a base. And for that, we're going to use this CD, attach the glass to it with a little bit of Fevicol. And you know what? I think I'm going to make this little piggy sit here. And yes, the bunny rabbit here. What do you think? And the rest of it we will cover Okay, here, and our pen stand is ready.